rolling. All right, front slope, Mr. Roberts' house, 288 Southbury Drive. This one's not tied into a valley. This one should be a little bit easier. You see I got the flat bar under there wedged right now. Shingles seem pretty pliable. You know, my nail circumference to get this shingle out, it's gonna be about to here to here. I'm gonna do everything I can to get it out successfully, and you're gonna be on the videos the whole time. Last video it had, you know, mistakenly paused. We're trying to be very transparent with you guys. We always welcome Seek Now or Sage Sure, whoever you guys want to send to these repairs. I'm more than welcome it. I'd be happy to watch somebody try to repair that valley on the back, but this one should be pretty plain, dry, and simple. You know, shingles can go to 45 degrees under any insurance company's rules. I think IAT actually allows 55, but I mean, who's bringing their protractor out here? You know, it really does get ridiculous. I get, like, you know, this roof is brand new, but you know, you see how the nail just completely rips off before you can even get it off the shingle? You know, that's really your telltale sign that this is not going to be really easy to repair. And if it was written for like a small amount, I get it. More than half the roof. Even State Farm says over 50% they replace the entire roof. Got to go to the next layer. All right. Well, that just ripped through right there. Yeah, that doesn't look good. Got one damaged shingle, one little rip right there. I'll mark it with chalk so y'all can keep count. That's supposed to be a 1. Sorry. I didn't go to college. You see, when you got to take the nails out of the shingles that are above it, because this final nails are going to be where I was up here. You see how it's breaking? Obviously, you could nail somewhere else, but this is showing, you know, look where the shingles are breaking. You know, look at me trying to get this nail out and how this is damaging the shingle above, and I still don't even have the shingle out. But I'm not going to count that. That'd be pretty argumentative. Alright, got that one out. Go over here, get a couple more. This bad boy should slide right out. See how me trying to get underneath here is damage this shingle again? I'm going to count this shingle as damaged. I mean, I'm not being malicious or anything. I'll write this underneath so every time it lifts up, you guys remember. This one is damaged from me trying to get underneath it. It will need replaced. I mean, you could like putty it down and stuff, but that's not the way you're supposed to do it. Right, we got one more in here. It'll be right there. Alright, and we got 2 more. Well, at least you got good documentation why I'm going so hard to get this out. Oh, 45 degrees about all times. This right here just completely ripped. Trying to get underneath there. This is a complete rip. Completely unintentional. I'm gonna take this shingle all the way out. Is this repairable? Sure, if you want to damage everything around it. That's gonna be 3rd damaged shingle. You can call it 2 if you want. That's at least 2 damaged shingles to every single one. You know, I'm gonna take this nail out just so y'all see I get this out, and we're gonna discontinue this video.
think it's that one.
Right here.
Yep.
All right, thanks, Asher.